Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Brawlhalla server issues, and the error is an error has occurred, you were unable to connect to the game server, and because of this error if you are not able to play the online matches, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Brawlhalla server status. You can go to this down detector website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this down detector website, we can see user reports show possible problems with Brawlhalla is called on, and here you can see so many users are reporting this issue related to game servers. So if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything to fix the problem. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. But if their server status is online and if still you are getting these server issues, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to restart a stream or restart your PC. So click on this word stream, click on exit. This will exit the stream, then restart a stream and then relaunch the game and check. Fix to perform a power cycle for both gaming device and internet. So turn off your gaming device, then turn off Wi-Fi router or modem, wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and then restart your gaming device and Wi-Fi router or modem, reconnect and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to change DNS servers. So in Windows search type control panel and open the control panel. Then click on view network status and task. Then click on your connected internet or Wi-Fi. Then click on properties. Then select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. And then select the second option, that is use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK and then close it, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt type this code one by one, copy this code and then paste it over here and then hit enter. I have provided this code in my video description, so you can easily copy and paste from there. Paste it over here, hit enter, copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter, and then copy the last code, paste it over here and hit enter. Now you will see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this command prompt, then restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Next solution is to switch internet connection. So connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then disconnect the Wi-Fi and then connect to mobile hotspot and then launch the game and check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to internet via Ethernet cable and then check. Fix 6 is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Brawlhalla game, click on properties, then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to try VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN, etc. and then check. And if you're already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Fix 8 is to reset network. So open Windows settings, go to network and internet, scroll down, click on advanced network settings, click on network reset and then click on reset now. But before performing this action, please read this over here and then click on reset now and then click on yes to confirm. And once the network reset process complete, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to update Windows. So again go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download all of them and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve an error has occurred, you were unable to connect to the game server error in Brawlhalla game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.